So now you're going to take your wreath and the meshes. I put them in two different colors. I cut them to 8 inches each, and I'm just gonna loop it all around, alternating each of the colors all the way around the wreath. So you're wondering how to loop. All you do is take your loop like this, you put it underneath, and then you just pull it out all the way to the top. And you push it all the way until you see the little loop. And that's it. How it looks like once you are done. I ran out of the mesh, so that's why it looks like that in the bottom. So now we're gonna hot glue the garland to the metal frame of the wreath, and we're gonna twist it all around until we have it all covered. Next project, I'm going to take these Valentine's Day trees and I'm going to zip tie them together, put them on this floral foam inside of the little pot. So now you can see I zip tied the bottoms and I'm gonna put them in the floral foam inside of the pot. Now I put that inside the pot and I'm gonna put some of this decorative shred on top to hide the pole. So now you just fluff it up and it's gonna look like this. And now it's time to decorate. So this is how my tree came out. I love how it looks. So for my next DIY, I'm going to be making a cupcake out of this clip cup, the cardstock. I'm going to use this as the part on the top of the cupcake, and I'm going to embellish it with the little hearts. So for the cardstock, I'm going to cut it because I'm going to crinkle it and place it all around the little mesh cup. So this is what your cardstock will look when you crinkle it, when you then glue it around. So I have 2 strips and I just need the little extra portion so it can close off and look like a cupcake. So I hot glued the crinkle paper into the mesh, as you can see here. I'm going to place the styrofoam in the middle, and then I'm going to put this paper on top so that way when I put the mesh going around, it's gonna look a little better, and it's gonna look something like this when you're done. So this is what it's gonna look like when you take your mesh and you're gonna hot glue it in the middle, and you're gonna make like a disc going all the way around. And once you're done, then you're gonna take the disc and place it inside as such. And that's what it's gonna look like. And then you're gonna keep doing a pyramid of that until you get all the way to the top of your cupcake. So as you can see, all I did is I took the mesh and I just hot glued it all the way around in a circle, and then I just started making a pyramid all the way up with the mesh, and I finished it with the little stick right here. And you can cut that to whatever width you want depending upon the size of how you make it. So this is how my cupcake turned out. You can see it right here. I'm gonna try to take a little closer look. I'm gonna try to put some embellishments so it can stand out a little more, but that's how they look. And I'm gonna set it up a little nicer and make the little things stick and not move. So for my next DIY, I'm going to take my wooden hearts. I'm gonna put paint on both of them, pink and white. I will be placing those stickers on top so it can look like a candy and the other one can look like a cookie. So I'm going to be painting each of them and I will show you how it will look. So this is how the white one is turning, and I'm about to start the second one. So I finished painting both of them and I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm gonna add a second coat. So this is what my hearts look like now. I'm gonna start using the spackling. So this is how my heart is looking as I put the spackle on it. I love how it looks. And I'm going to start the next one. So I had to restart this several times because the piping wasn't coming out. So here we go again. Twist it around to the other side. There we go. And I love how this came out better the third or fourth or fifth time. It just looks so much better. There we go. And then I'm gonna try to do the bottom part of it so it could look a little better. And I will show you the finished product. Came out. Yay! Look how they came out. They look amazing.